Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial on matrices in R. In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about editing elements in matrices. So let's create a matrix M which have elements from 1 to 12 and has 4 rows, and it will be created row wise. So let's see our matrix. Okay, so this is a matrix M. Now we can edit elements in a matrix in two different ways. And the first one is using the position index for the elements. It is just like editing elements in a vector, but in this case we have to specify the position of the elements in a column-wise order in the matrix. When I say column-wise, this means elements will be counted from the first column and then counted from the second column and the third column. So let's replace the fifth element of the matrix M with 1000. So the fifth element in this case is first one, second, third, fourth, and this element 2 here. This is the fifth element, and we want to replace that with 1000 this time. Okay, then let's see our matrix. Okay, so you can see here the fifth element has been edited and it is now replaced by 1000. We can also edit multiple elements using the position indexes. So this time I'm going to edit the second position and fourth position elements in the matrix M with 200 and 400. Let's do that. Okay, so you can see here the element in the second position and the fourth position have been edited. The another way of editing elements in a matrix is using the indices for rows and columns. So for example, if I want to edit the elements in the fourth row of the matrix M, then I'll give just the index for the row, in this case 4, and then I'll leave the place for the column index, and in this time I want to replace all the fourth row elements with 5000. So let's see that matrix M. Okay, so you can see here the fourth row has been successfully edited and the values there were replaced by 5000. We can use both row and column indices to replace the elements in that particular place. So this time I'm going to replace an element in the second row and third column. So second row and third column means so second row is this one and third column is there. So I'm going to replace this 6 by 2000. So let's see that. Okay, so you can see here the element which was 6 there previously has been edited to 2000. We can take multiple rows and indices, rows and column indices to edit that particular element. So let's see this one. So this time I'm going to edit the element in the third row and which is in the column 2 and 3. So let's do that. Okay, so you can see the elements in the third row. This is the third row, and second and third column have been edited here. Similarly, we can use multiple indices for both rows and column to edit the particular elements in the matrix. So in this case, I am editing elements which are in the rows 1, 2, and 3, and also in the column 2 and 3. So let's do that. Okay, you can see here that the elements in the first, second, and third row and the second and third columns have been edited.